Right, KS3, we are now going to sing Che Che Kool as a call and response song. When you hear the music start, you will have 4 beats to begin. 4 beats. Can somebody tell me, by looking at the board here, when do you sing? Will you be singing with the blue blocks or the pink blocks? Here? Pink blocks. Excellent. So, we will do this now with no tracks singing with you, only the call. So, we all ready?
Che Che Kool-Aid, Che Che Kool-Aid, Che Che Koffeinsa, Che Che Koffeinsa, Koffeinsa langa, Koffeinsa langa, Kanga Shilanga, Kanga Shilanga, Kum adende, Kum adende, Kum adende, hey!
I last row, repeat.
Che Che Kool-Aid, Che Che Kool-Aid, Che Che Koffeinsa, Che Che Koffeinsa, Koffeinsa langa, Koffeinsa langa, Kanga Shilanga, Kanga Shilanga,
Strong.
adende, Kum adende, Kum adende, hey!
Excellent. Now, what were we varying when we were singing? Were we varying the texture or the dynamics? Were we varying the texture or the dynamics?
The dynamics.
Excellent. Right, na ni neud hwnna eto Gymraeg, ar ddeg. Do you think they were singing well?
Pub.
Brilliant. Right ta, so na ni neud o Gymraeg. Barod?
Yeah.
Take 2. Reit o blwyddyn 7, da ni rwan yn mynd i fod yn canu Che Che Kool, can, galw ag ateb. Oes da rwy'n i gallu deitha fi wrth edrych ar y sgrin yn pryd fydd anen i chi ganu? Bethan? Pa mae'r blociau pink. Ac yn ystod y gan fyddai'n deitha chi weithiau canu'n gryf ac weithiau ganu'n dawel. Di pawb yn barod?